Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable Smart Wake in Vivo Y3s smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the app drawer, then choose the settings, then choose shortcuts and accessibility, then choose Smart Motion, then choose Smart Wake. Now we enable the swipe up to unlock and swipe down to take a photo in the lock screen mode. So now I lock the phone. Now you draw the line. It will open the camera. You can see if you will draw a line like this, it will unlock the phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.